friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library. How are you feeling today? Maybe like this? Or maybe you're feeling more like this. Well, we are going to be making an emoji door hanger today. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find 5 pieces of different colored construction paper, 1 circle template, 1 emojis ideas sheet, and a paper plate with 2 holes punched in it, as well as some yarn. You'll also need some additional items. Coloring materials, I'm choosing markers for this project, scissors, a glue stick, and a pencil. One point is you may want to protect your workspace with some paper when you're coloring your door hanger. So let's clear off our workspace and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut out this template. So go ahead and use your scissors to cut this template out. All right, now we're going to take our piece of yellow construction paper and we are going to trace our circle on our yellow paper. Now there are 2 ways that you can do this. You can trace 2 different circles on your paper, or you can fold your paper in half. This would be now cutting through 2 pieces of paper, so it's up to you what your level of comfort is. And I am going to take my pencil and go ahead and trace around my circle template. There we go. And now I'm going to take my scissors again and go ahead and cut out 2 circles at once. All right, so now you have 2 faces. So bring over your emojis idea sheet and decide on which 2 you would like to make. We've got paper to make these different things. I want to make this one here. So what I'm going to do in order to make the hearts and make them pretty uniform, I'm going to fold my paper and then in thirds this way. On the edge, they're all going to be on the edge there. What I'm going to do is just draw half of a heart and go ahead and cut. And here are my 3 hearts. When I open them up, you'll see that they are all pretty much the same size. And now I'm going to draw with my black marker the rest of the face. If you'd like, you can draw it with your pencil first, or just go ahead and draw with your marker. And now I'm going to use my glue stick and glue my hearts on. So there's my happy heart emoji. The next face that I'm going to make is kind of a crazy one right there. So what I'm going to do for this one is use my black paper and draw mouth on that with my pencil, a tongue that will stick out, draw a circle for the inside of the eye there. I'll also need my white paper for the bigger part of the eye and the other eye over there. So, okay, time to cut these out. Okay, and so I don't get all of the pencil marks on there. I am going to flip over my pieces here and glue them on that way. Lay them out, make sure I like them. It looks good to me, so I am going to glue this down now. And there I have my silly goofy face. And now I'm going to bring over my paper plate. I'm going to decide on a color for the background. Now this middle is where your emoji face is going to go. I'm not going to glue it down just yet. I'm going to color my plate first so that I don't get any of my marker on my emoji face. All right, so for my happy face, I like the rainbow look, and I will glue my happy face down. For my goofy face, this is how I decorated my paper plate. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my goofy face down. Your tool holes are going to be at the top because that's where you're going to tie on your yarn. So just keep that in mind when you're placing your emoji face. And now what we'll do is go ahead and tie our yarn. Give it like 2 or 3 or 4 knots here so that it stays. And on this side as well, go ahead and put that through and tie this off. If the string is too long, once you hang it up, you can either cut the string and then tie it in 2, or you can go ahead and make a little knot here as well, and that will make it shorter so that you could hang it up on your door. Nice job making your emoji door hanger. Woohoo! As always, remember to clean up, friends. So friends, however you're feeling, I hope you had so much fun making your emoji door hanger. I hope to see you at the library or on another DIY video. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.